If your Samsung Galaxy phone feels slow in 2025, turn off these 5 settings immediately and make your phone as fast as a rocket. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As always, let's start from the beginning. First, go to your phone settings. In Settings, scroll down and enter Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. I'll explain how to enable it. Inside Developer Options, scroll down and look for Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Turn off all of these. This removes the slow zoom and fade effects, so menus open instantly and your phone feels faster. If Developer Options is not visible on your device, go to Main Settings. At the bottom, go to About Phone. In About Phone, open Software Information. In Software Information page, press the build number 7 times quickly. Now Developer Options will appear at the bottom of your main settings. Turning off Auto Sync and Background App Refresh improves battery life, reduces background usage, and stops unnecessary syncing. For this, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accounts and Backup. In Accounts and Backup page, go to Manage Accounts. At the bottom, you'll see Auto Sync Data. If it's on, quickly turn it off. Disabling Always On Display saves battery and reduces CPU/GPU load. To turn it off, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Lock Screen. In Lock Screen page, find Always On Display and switch it off. If you can't find it, try the next step. Disable unused system apps and bloatware. Frees memory, reduces background activity, and makes your Galaxy run faster. To do this, go to Settings. In Settings page, scroll down and enter to Apps option. In Apps page, disable unused Google, Samsung, or carrier bloatware apps you never use. This frees up RAM and improves speed. Optimize location settings. Use battery saving mode instead of using GPS in high accuracy mode. Switch to battery saving to reduce background GPS processes and improve both battery and performance. For this, go to Settings. In Settings page, find and go to Location. In Location, open Location method. Select battery saving instead of high accuracy. If you do this, then you're good to go. And if you can't see this option in your device, then follow the next step. For the bonus tip, turning off adaptive battery and performance limiter. Disabling this makes your phone run smoother. For this step, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Battery and Device Care. Select Battery. Find and press More Settings. Find adaptive battery and turn it off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.